Thank you. This meeting's being webcast, right? Okay, I was on at the first question period. Am I on tape?
Yes,
Am I on
sir.
tape right now?
Yes, sir.
Because as you know, we got a history of, deleting it. When I'm on, that is. Regarding the CGTSIM, Mr. Clark brought this up last week at executive and also today. I'm curious to know, in terms of buying quantities of material, you're claiming that it's a lot cheaper to buy it in a big quantity as opposed to a smaller quantity. For example, let's pretend I'm working in a high school and I need 24 rolls of toilet paper. You can get it cheaper than I could get it at Costco? Is that a fact?
Well, I can't speak specifically for toilet paper,
No, I know.
but of the items I've noticed, yes, it's a fact.
But I'm leading up to something. Same thing with trips, like you're talking about trips, taking holiday trips. Like I did a couple of these trips a few years ago, well, it was 15 years ago or so, and we found that we can get trips that were a lot cheaper on the West Island going through a regular travel agent. I also should mention, since the word political came up, the CGTSIM, I've written letters to the editors to put our school taxes and municipal taxes together. That was one idea I had at one time. And another time, a few months ago, I thought of raising the GST about 1%, basically call it an education tax. But you see, it's very hard to come up with these propositions at this particular council, because when you have the chair getting paid for being on the CGTSIM, if you understand what I'm saying. Like you get paid about $14,000 to attend. 12.
That's not true.
Minimum 12,000, maybe 14,000.
Also not true.
That is true. I got it in writing from them.
I'm glad.
6, 7 meetings a year for about 45 minutes. It's definitely a money thing. So please don't tell me otherwise. The next thing I want to mention about the CGTSIM, at what point does it come when people start to discuss and get ideas to get away from this archaic system? There is no answer. I understand that.